Alright, so once the Photoshop is open, now you can choose among all of this. Uh, Ito yung makikita natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng present, right? Once na yung ito, we're going to click, dyan na. Ito na yan. Then, to start with the new file, you're going to click this one, which is new. At magpapop up itong window na may pangalan siyang new documents, right? Itong new documents. Then it's up to you to create uh, a file. Gaano ba kalaki yung kailangan mo? So for me, i-change ko ito sa inches para mas madali kong matansya kung gaano ba kalaki ng design clips or design space na kung ano man yung i-design ko. Or you can click the photo. Magkakaroon ka na ng mga portrait, which is the 2 by 3 inch, okay, under 300 ppi. And then pwede rin yung landscape, which is 10 by 8 inches at 300 ppi. So yung PPI pala, it is yung ibig sabihin ng PPI na yan, ibig sabihin yan is pixel per inch. Okay, so ibig sabihin pag mataas yung pixel mo, ibig sabihin mas malinaw yung kalalabasan ng image or yung design na gagawin mo. Okay, so meron tayong resolution. Itong resolution na yan, you can actually, halimbawa ito gagawa lang ako ng 3R, okay, or gagawa lang ako ng 2 by 3 inches na 2 yung height, and then 3 or 2 yung uh, okay, 2 yung haba, and then the height is, let's say, is 3. Okay, ayan, so 2 by 3. Now tataasan ko yung resolution para mas maganda yung uh, output ng image na gagawin ko. So 300, gagawin ko mga, siguro enough na is 250 is enough na, maganda na yan, 250. So white background, of course, pwede kang pumili kung anong background kailangan mong gawin. For me, I'd love to use white background para nakikita ko lahat ng malinaw yung mga sulat or yung mga design, yung mga guhit. And then for the color mode, I prepare, uh, you can choose among of this, pero mas maganda yung RGB. Yan yung uh, red, green, black color. Okay? Or you can use uh, yung CMYK. Yan naman yung cyan, magenta, yellow, at saka yung black color. So, for printing purposes, maganda tong CMYK. Pero for uploading, like for, say, for posting, maganda tong RGB. Okay? So, 8 bits lang. I'll not going to use this 16 and 32 bits kasi mas tataas yan yung graphics at mahihirapan yung laptop or yung computer mo. It's depend on the laptop that you're using. Pag mataas naman yung gamitin mo na yung dalawang yan. Pero for me, it's 8 bits naka-default na yan at maganda na yung kakalabasan dyan. Okay? So for me, I will change this to inches, and then gagawa nga ako ng 2 inches by 3 inches. Okay? So 2 inches by 3 inches is enough for the design phase. At yung resolution is 250. So pagkatapos niyan, nakaset ka na ng mga just click the create button, and then here we go, magkakaroon ka na ng space. So yan na yung nangyari. Meron kang 1 to 2 inches at meron kang 1, 2, 3 inches. So yan na yung natin. Ngayon, pag napapansin nyo, meron tayong nasa gilid na yan. Yung nasa gilid, meron kang ito, which is move tool. Itong move tool na yan, may mga sample-sample. Ibig sabihin, if you have a design, halimbawa meron kang image na ganyan, okay? Meron kang image. Say for example, yung image mo is itong move tool na yan, yung gagamitin mo to move the object inside the faces, inside the graphics layout space mo. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung layout space mo. So, pag napapansin mo, pag makalabas na yan ng layout space, so, hindi na yan nakikita. Ayan. So, kaya, ito yung mga layout space na pinaglalagyan ng graphics. So, ito move tool. Yan, move tool ang tawag dyan. At ito naman yung rectangular mark tool. At pag i-right click mo yan, maraming lalabas. Merong right click, okay? Right click sa mouse, may lalabas na rectangular mark, okay? Or mark tool. Mayroong elliptical, meron single row, merong single column, okay? So for me, it's depend on this on the graphics on or the icon or whatsoever that I am going to take, kasi ito ginagamit kasi yan pag uh, may mga kukunin ka. Halimbawa, yan, nasa photo na yan, 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 okay? And then, ito naman is the lasso tool. Ito yung lasso tool naman, it's the same with the mark tool, but this one is based on the appropriate kung ano yung shape na ko-control mo yung shape na kailangan mo. Right? At pag ni-right click mo yan, may makikita ka ng polygonal lasso tool, meron kang makikita ng magnetic lasso tool. So, halimbawa itong yan yung isang polygonal yung pwede mong i-ano sa mga gilid-gilid ng uh, shapes, alright? Yung next is the magnetic tool. Itong magnetic tool, it's just a magnet. So, parang ilalagay mo lang at sasama na yung mga shape or yung trace sa gilid ng picture. Alright? So, yan ang kinaganda sa ano. At marami pang ito, may magic tool, one tool, at marami pang iba. So, pwede, itong lahat na to ay explain natin yan ng isa-isa. So, dito naman sa taas, meron kang makikita, which is may file, may edit, may image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D, view, plugins, window, and help. So, lahat na yan, may ibig sabihin yan. Mayroong ibig sabihin yan. Halimbawa dito sa file, makikita mo dito yung open, new, which is yung ginawa natin kanina na mag-create ka ng panibago, at dito naman open, ibig sabihin you have an existing design na hindi mo na continue tapos i-continue mo. Dito naman is yung i-browse mo in bridge. Halimbawa, yung merong kang existing na layout na i-bridge mo lang dun sa loob. Which means, parang pag ginawa mo yun or inedit mo yun, mai-edit din dun sa kabila. And then open as, ito naman it's the same like open, and open as naman, you can open other file aside from Adobe Photoshop. At ito naman yung smart object. As smart object na yan, you can actually get that one from the online. Yan yung mga nakukuha natin sa mga online. So basically, you are going to use internet connection for this open as object. At yung close, of course, mako-close yung window. And then yung close all, mako-close lahat ng mga window. And then save. Yan, dito rin nagsisave and save as. Sa save as, explain natin yan one by one. Save copy and then export. Marami kang i-export. Ibig sabihin, you're going to export this into other file. And then generate, meaning you are going to generate images as an asset. At marami pa tayong dyan. Search Adobe Stock. You can also search this one from online. You can also at marami pang iba. And then exit. You're going to exit the Photoshop. And then meron tayong edit. Marami pa dyan. And then of course, the image. Merong node, adjustment. Explain natin yan isa-isa in every topic. Okay? So this is introduction to Photoshop. Alright? So that's all for our lecture for today. And then we are going to discuss this how to save file next time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.